Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I am Dr. Bhumika. Here is what I bring to you from the world of medicine. Fussy eating, largely a genetic trait. Study. Fussy eating is mainly influenced by genes and is a stable trait lasting from toddlerhood to early adolescence. Finds a new study led by researchers from University College London, King's George London and the University of Leeds. The study, published in the Journal of Child Psychology, Psychiatry and funded by the UK mental health charity, Mental Health Research, compared survey results of parents with identical or non-identical twins in England and Wales from the ages of 16 months to 13 years. The research team found that average levels of food fussiness were relatively stable during this period, peaking somewhat around the age of 7 and declining slightly after that. They concluded that genetic difference in the population accounted for 60% of the variation in food fussiness at 16 months, rising to 74% and over between the ages of 3 and 13. Environmental factors shared between twins, such as the type of food that are eaten at home, were found to be significant only in toddlerhood, while environmental factors unique to each twin, such as individual personal experiences, became more influential in later years. Lead author Dr. Zainab Nas said, "Food fussiness is common among children and can be a major source of anxiety for parents and caregivers, who often blame themselves for this behavior or are blamed by others. We hope our finding that fussy eating is largely innate may help to alleviate parental blame. This behavior is not a result of parenting. Our study also shows that fussy eating is not necessarily just a phase, but may follow a persistent trajectory." Senior author Professor Claire Llewellyn said, "While genetic factors are the predominant influence for food fussiness, environment also plays a supporting role. Shared environmental factors such as sitting down together as a family to eat meals may only be significant in toddlerhood. This suggests that interventions to help children eat a wider range of foods, such as repeatedly exposing children to the same food regularly and offering a variety of fruits and vegetables, may be most effective in the very early years." The research team analyzed data from the UCL-led Gemini study, the largest twin cohort ever set up to study genetic and environmental contributions to early growth, which involves 2,400 sets of twins. Parents filled in questionnaires about their children's eating behaviors when the children were 16 months, 3, 5, 7 and 13 years old. To disentangle genetic from environmental influences, the researchers compared the similarity in fussy eating between non-identical twin pairs who share 50% of their genes with the similarity between identical twin pairs who share 100% of their genes. They found that non-identical twin pairs were much less similar in their fussy eating than identical twin pairs, indicating a large genetic influence. The team also found that identical twin pairs become more different to each other in their fussy eating as they got older, indicating an increase in the role of unique environmental factors at older ages. Unique environmental factors accounted for about a quarter of individual differences between children in fussy eating by age 7 and 13. The researchers estimated. Shared environmental factors, meanwhile, accounted for a quarter of individual differences between children in food fussiness at 16 months, with a negligible effect in later years. Senior author Dr. Alison Fields said, "Although fussy eating has a strong genetic component and can extend beyond early childhood, this doesn't mean it is fixed. Parents can continue to support their children to eat a wide variety of foods throughout childhood and into adolescence, but peers and friends might become a more important influence on children's diet as they reach their teens." Thank you for watching Medical Dialogues. Stay tuned for more such updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.